Larry, you represent Mr. Dave Middleton.
Yes, correct.
Just give us the reasons why you guys decided to lodge an appeal against the refusal of bail.
Well, as far as we're concerned, he has complied with the requirements that set out in the Criminal Procedure Act that will allow you to be set free on bail.
Okay, but the judge said that the state has a strong prima facie case against him.
Yes.
Now, based on that, how did you come to your conclusion?
Well, the requirements for bail is not only whether there's a prima facie case. There are other requirements, that is whether he'll be able to stand trial, whether he's a risk or not. And as far as we're concerned, we led evidence to show the court that there are exceptional circumstances as to why he should be released on bail, because that was the test. And we were satisfied that we had set about sufficient evidence to prove that there were exceptional circumstances as to why he should be released on bail.
Okay, now give us some information. How does the process work now?
Well, the process now is, as you know, that the court disagreed with us and said that the court was not satisfied that we had discharged the onus that was placed on us in showing those exceptional circumstances. So we're now proceeding to note an appeal against that particular judgment. What would happen now is I have already secured a power of attorney from Mr. Middleton to go on appeal. We have instructed the court's official transcriber, Sneller Recordings, to give us a quote and for the transcription and to transcribe the bail proceedings that took place. Once we have those bail proceedings, we will then immediately note the appeal and then, of course, apply for a date when a judge can hear the matter. Of course, this will be done on an urgent basis. We anticipate that from the time we receive the transcripts that we should be in court hopefully within 2 weeks from that date.
Okay, now one last question on this matter. The date set for a decision on when trial will happen, or when the trial will begin, was set on the 13th. So there is not much time left in...
No, the date for the 13th is for the state to finalize its investigations. Okay. The state said they needed to have a look at some computer equipment and needed to have a look at that and to finalize that. And on the 13th, that should be finalized. And once it's finalized, we would be able to then try and secure a date for trial.
When do you think that could happen? As a ballpark guess?
It depends which court the matter is going to proceed to. If it goes to the regional court, we're hoping we can try and expedite and get an earlier trial date. It's difficult to hazard a guess when that will happen. If it has to go to the High Court, then again, the DPP will have to then make a decision on that date. So we are entirely in the hands of the court on the availability of the dates.
Thank you, Larry. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.